Hey Bolo Buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. All right, let's get started. Okay, so this is my reseller testing Bolo products, and you guys, I just hit 1K. Thank you so much to everyone that has subscribed. This is some live footage from my working hangout on my reseller testing Bolo products. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and wait until you see this Bolo. Are these bottle brush trees? And they have like fruit in them. I think these are really, really cool. They do say made in Japan on the bottom, but it's covered up by a sticker. I think these will do well. I think I really need to get these listed. And there's 2 of them. Yeah, you can see the made in Japan here. I just think they're really cute. What do you guys think? It's got like a glittery base. There's like a, I don't know what this tree is, if this is supposed to be there, or if somebody just stuck it on there. Look at his face. I think it might be paper mache. I don't know. I feel like he's really old. What does he say on him? I don't think he says anything. Trying to see what his leg is, like some sort of material underneath there. I'm looking for like a tag. He's got this stain on his, let me see if there's anything on the base here. It says display $9.98. I don't know. He's really cool, but I don't know how to list him. So he's been sitting in the garage and it's fallen apart. I may just like, I'm just pulling it out. It's just fallen apart. It's just gross. It's all stuck in his hair. Sorry guys, I'll be back. I'm over here pulling out the tree. But you know what? Why is his arm up like that though? See his arms up? I guess he's saying hi. Hi, ho, ho, ho. Oh, well, I pulled it out either way. I mean, it's just, it won't even stay together. It's just falling apart, so. That Santa was a department store display from the 50s or 60s. How you know? Did you find a comp? All right, you guys, we're gonna look at some sold comps for these Santas. They are all over the place. Just crazy. It was really hard for me to decide how to price mine. So I do a little something when I have trouble pricing things, and you guys may agree or you may not agree with my method, but I'm going to share it with you after I share with you these comps here. Yeah, here we go. Let me know if you guys agree or disagree with how I did this. The first one is a live auction. Okay, sorry. That I have going on now. This is my Bolo. I just listed it today. I picked this up at a garage sale for $10, and he is super, super cool. He is a store display. I was putting off listing him because I don't know. I don't know why. I didn't know what it was. And the other night I was on my reseller testing Bolo products YouTube channel, and I was doing a live show, and I was doing like a live listing, and I held it up, and Farm Girl Scavenger Noelle did like a screenshot, and then she did Google Lens. I was just kind of showing it, and she's like, you have a Harold Gale. So I looked it up, and Harold Gale is most definitely a Bolo. Now, they do range. I think mine is really rare. So what happened is I started the auction at $124.99. I had, sometimes I do that. I'll start the auction low and see if I have any bids or any offers. I had an offer that came in at $195 within a couple hours of listing it. So I knew that I had a hot item. So what I did, and you guys may or may not agree with this, but I declined the offer. I went in and I revised the item and started it at $199.99. Um, and again, you guys may or may not agree with that method. I have done it before. It typically works for me. It's a way for me to feel out the market on my item. Until somebody places a bid, you can do whatever you want. You can revise it however you want. So relisted it, or not relisted it, revised it for $199.99, and I got an offer for that almost within a half an hour of changing the price, making it higher. And then all of a sudden, like an hour or two later, I started getting like a bunch of alerts that people were bidding on the item. So it is now up to $265. It has 6 days and 15 hours left. Okay, you guys, so a little update. It now is up to $289 with 4 days and 14 hours left. So definitely be on the lookout for Howard Gale items. Definitely a BOLO. As you can see from the comps that I showed you, I do not recommend starting the auction low. I would start the auction high and maybe try my technique. And again, I would love to hear your feedback down in the comments, letting me know if you think that my method is, I don't know, maybe fair or unfair or good or bad. Whatever you want to put in the comments. I'd be interested in hearing what you guys have to say. I'm going to show you some more pictures here. Okay, you guys, I wanted to show you my photos. When I have an item like this, I typically use all 12 photos. I put the measurements in the actual photo as seen. I also will do close-ups of certain areas. If there's any damage, I will make sure that I show a picture of the damage, as you're going to see here. It's got some staining on the front of the shirt, and I just wanted to make sure that I disclose that. And then I show all sides, front, back, and both sides of the item. That is how I do my photos, especially on unique, rare, and different items. I'm also going to show the bottom of the stand where it says display. And again, I feel like this was a store display. All right, Bolo Buddies. This is my third channel, reseller testing Bolo products. My original channel is Bolo Buddies, and you are currently watching my second channel, Sourcing with Bolo Buddies. So over on my reseller testing products channel, I am doing listing live shows, like a working hangout. So if you guys are interested in coming and hanging out, talking in the chat while you work, be sure to subscribe to this channel. I do also test products on this channel, and when I'm doing that, I will add the video to my eBay listing. So some of those videos you may not be interested in, but I also part out a lot of items, and I will put reseller videos like that on this channel as well. So be sure to subscribe, and thanks you guys for watching. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.